Here is how to add a custom domain to Shopify. Back then, start from the Shopify admin, where you are already signed in to your store. In the bottom left corner, click Settings. This opens the main settings area for your store, where Shopify groups account and store configuration options in one place. From the settings menu, click Domains. This takes you to the section where Shopify shows the domains connected to your store, including any default Shopify address and any custom domains you may add or manage. On the Domains page, click Connect Existing Domain. This option is for a domain you already own through a separate domain provider. It is different from buying a new domain through Shopify, so make sure you choose the existing domain option shown on this page. You will now be asked to enter the custom domain you want to connect. Type the domain you already own, such as yourstore.com, into the field provided. Check the spelling carefully before moving on, since the connection process depends on the exact domain name being entered correctly. After entering the domain, click Next to continue. Shopify will then check the domain and show the available connection method for your provider. If Shopify gives you the option to connect the domain automatically, select Connect Automatically. This allows Shopify to work directly with your domain provider instead of requiring you to update records by hand. A new window will open for your domain provider. In that window, sign in to the account where the domain is purchased or managed. If you manage more than one account with that provider, make sure you select the correct one before continuing. Once you are signed in, follow the provider's on-screen prompts to authorize Shopify to configure the domain. The wording can vary a little depending on the provider, but the goal is the same. You are granting permission for Shopify to make the domain changes needed to connect your store. After you authorize the connection, wait while the automatic connection process completes. This may take a short moment, so give Shopify and the domain provider time to finish the update. When that process is done, return to the domains page in Shopify. Look for your custom domain in the list and confirm that it shows as connected. That status tells you Shopify has recognized the domain and completed the connection through your provider. At this point, your custom domain should be listed in Shopify as an active connected domain for your store. Thanks for watching. Your custom domain is now connected to Shopify.